One last tool to look at for our sandbox tool, and that is Drape. I'm going to go ahead and hide the sandbox, or the hill that we've made. And I'm going to keep this in place. I want to draw kind of an organic looking, using my freehand tool, I'm going to draw an organic looking path in plan. So let's just say we've got a path that goes up the side of this mountain. And I'll make it kind of meander a little bit. Okay, and then I'll connect it at the bottom and at the top. So I've got this new, let me get a little cleaner connection there. Okay, so I've got this new path shape, and this is if I'm looking purely in plan. So I'll go ahead and group that and move that up in place. Now I unhide my, my hillside. So if I look at this in plan and then turn the perspective off, that's where I've got a path that leads up the side of this mountain. So that would be really hard to draw if I was trying to draw that on the surface of this sandbox. So what I have to do is use my Drape tool. So I click on Drape, then I choose the shape that I want draped onto the mountain. So I've clicked once on that shape, and now I'm clicking once on that mountain. And what's going to happen is this works kind of like a projection. It's projecting that shape down, and it's cutting that shape right into the side of this mountain. Now I can open this up, and with my textures, I can paint the two edges one color, and then, or the two sides one color, and then the actual path another color. Now that's a really, really simplistic way of doing it, but for the purposes of just kind of demonstrating how Drape works, it's good enough. So that is the last of the tools. We'll look at doing all of these in the actual homework assignment for this model. But this is we've kind of covered all of the sandbox tools, and now we can move on to our actual assignment.